Deserved award and have a fabulous night, won't you? On to the weather for the weekend. Alina is here. OK, runners want to know for Sunday, what's it going to be like in
Well, it's dry and it's cool, but we've got a really gusty easterly wind.
Oh.
But hopefully, because that final stretch is running from east to west, the wind will be behind you.
Yeah.
That'd be lovely.
Oh, that'd be lovely.
Yeah, exactly.
Last 2 miles, wind
I'll take
behind.
that.
Yeah, definitely.
And if you're up early on Sunday morning, you may well see a sunrise like this. Stunning sunrise taken this morning. Glyn Jones was behind the camera in Apley in Ryde.
Susan Hutchins spotted a Concorde on her autumn walk through the sculpture park in Guildford. I was wondering what that was.
A tranquil scene on the canal at Newbury earlier. Thanks to Nigel Smith for this one.
Now, you've also been sending in some other pictures through this afternoon, and some of you have been asking, is it an upside-down rainbow? Well, its technical term is a circumzenithal arc, and it's from the same family as a rainbow, but instead of it being the way we normally see a rainbow, it's the other way around, and that's because, although it's still refracting light, it's refracting light through ice crystals in cloud high above, rather than through raindrops in a typical rainbow. But thank you so much for our weather watchers for sending these in. Lovely to see them. They are fairly common, just you don't always see them because they're so high up in the sky. But a perfect setup to see them today, because we've had some sunshine, we had some medium and low level cloud which started to break, and then later we had that high level cirrus cloud allowing those arcs to develop. Through this evening and overnight it's dry, it's quiet again, a mixture of variable cloud and clear spells. Now, once temperatures get below 4 Celsius, which some rural spots will, we'll see some mist and fog filling in, so a chilly start to the day tomorrow and a dull start in places with that mist and fog which will gradually lift to low cloud, and eventually it will thin and break and we'll see some spells of sunshine through the afternoon. You may notice 1 or 2 blue blobs, indicates a very small chance of a shower, but most places will be dry. But the easterly wind starting to strengthen, so even though we'll see highs of 13 or 14 Celsius, it'll feel a little bit on the cool side. Through tomorrow night, once again, some mist and fog developing in places. Some showers in the Channel may just brush the coast at times, but most places will be dry. Chilly again, temperatures in town 6 or 7, but in the countryside perhaps 3 or 4. So a cool start to the day for the Great South Run. That easterly wind will be a feature. If you're heading along, do wrap up warm, but cool, dry conditions for the runners. And through the day, the cloud will be thinning and breaking. There'll be some good spells of sunshine through the afternoon, and temperatures on a par with Saturday, 12 or 13 Celsius, but tempered by that brisk and at times gusty easterly wind. Now, I mentioned yesterday this area of low pressure pushing its way up from the near continent. That eventually will bring us a little bit of rain overnight into Sunday, but otherwise a lot of dry weather in the forecast.
Alina, thank you very much. Looks like a decent weekend. That's it from us. More, of course, in our late news this evening, 8 o'clock, and then again at 10:25. And we're back here on Monday at 6:30. Have a fabulous weekend, whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.
Good night.